Hello everyone, Namaste, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. So today we are going to talk about chemical exfoliation and retinol. My favorite brand, The Ordinary. So I am just going to explain how important it is to use it in a right way, because if it's not used in a right way, it can further damage your skin than repairing it or making it flawless. So let's go. So we are starting with the Ordinary Retinol, that is retinol zero point 0.5 in Squalane. So this one is very nice if you want to start using retinol, because it has a very less percentage of retinol in it, so it is really not going to irritate your skin so much and also do the work. So I'll suggest every person who is starting using retinol, they can start this one. Whenever you start using retinol, you have to make sure that you use your SPF every morning. This is a night product. You can't use retinol in the daytime. You have to only use this at night. And if you're starting, I think one person should try using it once or twice a week. You have to gradually then purchased. So yeah, this one is best if you are looking for dewiness and moisturized skin and anything around that zone. So this one is best for it. This one is very harsh exfoliation, I think, because it's this one you should only use if your skin is clear, like clear. If it's already clear, then this is going to help your skin. Otherwise, I am not sure if you have acne, if you have any other hyperpigmentation, this is not for you. So basically, lactic acid is something you can use on daily basis. It is a little irritating on your skin. It does make your skin feel tickling or a burning sensation, because 10% I think is a high concentration of lactic acid also. So yeah, you can use it daily. So even this you have to use at night. Like you can cleanse your face and then apply lactic acid and then your retinol and then moisturizer. That's it. That could be your nighttime skincare. This one is very strong from The Ordinary because it has high concentration and you can use it all over your body, like whichever part you want to, except your personal parts. Otherwise, this can be used throughout your body. If you are looking for exfoliation, like on your elbows, knees and all, this I think more than face, this works for your body best. You have to only leave this product for 10 minutes on your face, not even a second extra after that. It is going to burn your face like anything. So yeah, if you start using this, be careful how you use it. It should be used only once a week, or but not with retinol, because you can't mix this with retinol, not at all. Once you can at least mix lactic acid and retinol together, but no AHA with retinol. It is going to harm, I don't know how many damages in your skin barrier, but you can't use these two products together. At least keep 2 to 3 days gap between retinol use and this thing. So I've just washed my face and starting off with the lactic acid. So it's almost over. I'll have to get a new one. Yeah. I'll just put it here and then on my face. So after 2 seconds, one is just into my skin, I go ahead with retinol. This is my nighttime skincare, by the way, which I'm shooting in the day. So yeah, not more than 2 or 3 drops. I think this goes long way with the retinol. And if it's a cream base, then I think one pump or like very tiny amount of squeeze is more than enough. I think it's visible on the screen that how less goes a long way with retinol. And I feel so good because seriously, this is very less concentration of retinol. It does not at all. Lactic acid does irritate my skin a bit, but retinol, when I apply retinol, oh my god, skin feels so smooth and so moisturized actually. So the last product that I am not sure if I can apply over lactic acid and retinol, so I'm just going to show you guys the consistency in my hand. So this one looks very gross. Yeah, so it looks like a blood. You just apply this, and leave it there. You just apply it like this on your face or whichever body part you have to exfoliate, and you leave it there for maximum 10 minutes. It does smell weird, like chemical, but yeah, you keep it there, and it is stinging on my hand also. First, test the product on your hand or on your neck if it, if you have a sensitive skin. But I'm not sure if this product is for sensitive skin, so I'll not suggest it for sensitive skin. But of course, if you want to try, then try it on your neck or your hand, and then on your face. So yeah, keep it like this and then wash it off, and then moisturize with any soothing moisturizer. You can't use anything which has again any acid or chemical like that. Any soothing natural moisturizer will work after this. Thank you for watching, and I hope you guys like this video and it is helpful for you guys. I hope you guys try all these things, and please, if you try, do let me know in the comments. Till the next video, bye bye, see you guys.